So in the previous lecture, we actually talked about the background and how your learning is can change according to the background. That was about your starting point. Now, let's talk about your end point, the point which you are aiming at. So this is the role which you are aiming to get hired as. Okay. Now, if you pay attention to the top left of the slide, it says building a career in data science. It does not say building a career as a data science researcher. You see, it is very important to know that, let's say you're learning software development. When I was learning software development, the only job I knew was software developer, that too a Java. That's it. But there are a lot of complexities which are actually present, which are not known when we are learning. So let's say when we say we are building a career in data science. So for most people, the only thing they know is data science researcher. And that is actually problematic. Why? Because everyone then aims for this, irrespective of what their personal liking might be. You see, there is a personality, and according to personality, different role might be suitable or unsuitable for you. And that has to be taken in mind when we are, deciding what our aim is going to be. But I do want to make one point extremely clear. When you are beginning your journey into data science, then you should not be so stuck on which role in the data science are you interested in. Aim is to get the foot in the door. If you whether you directly get into data science, or you take a role number A, after which you take a role number B, after which you take role number C, it doesn't matter even if you take a long path. You see, in others, there are roles like data engineer, or there is roles like ML ops, which is already included here though, or there are roles like database, NoSQL database admins or something for they might specialize in data science related data. So you see, you could slowly get into this thing. So you can start as a data analyst, you can start as a data engineer, you can start as someone else, and keep in mind that it is a marathon we are running, not a sprint. And in this marathon, we are going to go step by step. So instead of making one direct jump, one big leap, you see, big leaps are generally risky. We are going to make small hops. We will call them small hops. So you can hop from, let's say, data engineering to something else, and then you can hop into this environment of data science. So again, to conclude this thing, we have we are talking about building a career in data science. We are not talking about just data scientist as a role. So keep that in mind. So next time, in from next lecture onwards, I will talk a bit more about each role individually.